Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Hello everyone and welcome back to my videos. And today the week assignment, weekly assignment, the from the director, this the material BGP the road reflector. And I'm from class RKJD and student at Polytechnic IDN. We'll start from scratch from understanding the problem to completing a successful configuration. Now, in front of us, we already have the network topology. It looks simple, but it actually all the concept we need. Let's first get to know each router. Here we have two major areas, or what we call autonomous system or AS in BGP. Inside this box, we have the ICE number 12, our company internal network. Inside it, there are router 1, 2, 2, and 4. Outside, we have IS number 3 and router 3, the internet provider or head office router. Your main goal today is simple. How can the server behind R3 communicate with the computer behind router 4? Now, here where the problem starts in BGP, especially internal BGP or AIBGP. Simple path router will not forward route information. It learns from one eBGP neighbor to another eBGP neighbor. So, if router 2 learns a route from router 3 and tells it to router 1. Router 1 will stay silent and won't pass that router 4. As a result, router 4 won't know how to reach the network behind router 3. There are two possible solutions. First, create a full mesh connection between all internal routers, but that's very complex if there are many routers and the operational money uh, big. And that the second and smarter solution is to ask a route reflector. In this topology, each route has a specific role. R4 is the branch office client needs internet access or uh, the routing to AS3. R3 reception the external or internet network. R2 is the gateway that connect the internal network to the outside world. R1, router 1 is the route reflector, the star of the show. R1 is directly connected to the internet, but it acts as a bulletin board inside the network. It receives route information from router 2 and reflects it to all its clients, including router 4. This is why the split problem can be solved with maybe enough for presentation what what this uh, weekly assignment. Now we I am the configure for what's the segment for this topology? Uh, Disclaimer for what I am actually first time for what's configure use the Cisco because I'm uh, not make use the MikroTik. So if we go to Cisco, yeah, kurang. And now we start all device. Uh, wait. We santai. Okay, we go to router 4. Wait, okay, okay. We start to configure. First, we go to actually this in, but this finish. And now we config terminal and we config to IP address to Ethernet in Cisco Fast Ethernet. It so, we I'm susah ngomong for English the tutorial so we config only the IP and we send the this IP and one one this in MikroTik prefix in this subnet mask. Okay, no shutdown. Okay, exit. We go to interface loopback now and now IP add the loopback for the okay now shutdown. Okay, and we write nah we go to router one same but first in config if not what's not yet the host name we go to host name this but this sudah now same go to interface we add to okay okay exit now we interface IP address the what this 12 one okay now shut down exit we go to interface loopback no IP what one go finish no shutdown and this what's uh, uh, oh right astagfirullah here we go to router 2 same config tag in first in through then what's IP okay in satu and then IP add what's uh, telemetry one okay shut down exit the interface look back IP add 222 wait okay finish no shut down and right go to router 3 same we go to interface IP and telemetry 2 hey no shut down exit we mm, interface look back IP and 3333 subnet mask disk no shut down and right I am drink water the milk okay no this router 4 we make the AGRP. AGRP what? This the protocol from Cisco. Actually, uh, in my friend kebanyakan use the what? Uh, not not use loopback, but I'm use loopback. Yeah, I'm mengikuti in videos. Right, right. This okay. Now we uh, mm, configure what's AGRP config and then IP what uh router AGRP satu saja oke no auto summary uh, this network the uh, the for and network wait, network part one. Eh, okay. And right. Okay. We go to router one, Sam. Uh, uh, one step. Yes. No. In the router, we one step. No langsung semua. Oke. Eh, eh, wait. This. Astagfirullah. I'm sorry, wishing to. Wait. The troubleshooting. Oh. Hmm. Okay. This. Okay. Last name. Router one. This. We go to router. AGRP 100. No auto summary. Network. This network for IP network. The IP address we finish after uh, telah dikonfigurasikan. But this in Indonesia network adalah IP address yang sudah kita bikin dan IP networknya kita taruh di sini. Tapi untuk IP networknya kita berbeda agar lebih simpel. Jadi 41.0.0.0. Yes, same, but this 12 same for IP loopback. This. Okay, and write this. Okay, same config router AGRP 100 what's no auto summary. This I don't know because wait. Hmm, di Indonesia praktik standar untuk mencegah AGRP merangkum rute secara otomatis. Oh, not secara otomatis, yes. Oke, network. This, okay, network ke network 2. Okay, and right. In router 3, no, because router 3 not the one wilayah AS12. So in router 1, 2, and 4 only. Okay. Now first we check in router 4 ping go to this router 2. Okay, success. We continue the config for BGP. First, In BGP, we go to router, config. After that, we go to router, BGP 12. The 12, the IS number. This. After that, we maybe network for iklan. Mas the okay. Now we go to neighbor to IP loopback router 1. This after that remote as 12 because router 1 the internal BGP. Nah, with the update search loopback. Oh, okay. Okay, finish because this only one. Okay, wait. Yes, only one. Now, and right. Okay, we go to router one. Same. Wait. I'm host. Okay, router BGP 12. Now network. The network. What's one? Mas the neighbor. First we go to router 4. Remote as 12. Same. The update search look back. Okay. Now we what's root refactor client. This. Now we go to router 2. Router 2 IP loopback this and what's remote task 12 and update source loopback and what's this the root reflector, the reflector client. Root reflectors for I'm sorry Indonesia. Jadi root reflector ini berfungsi. Jadi Indonesia gini. BGP ini lebih mudahnya memakai topologi full mesh, yaitu di mana semua router itu saling terhubung. Tetapi karena membutuhkan biaya yang banyak, yang besar, dan juga ribet, harus banyak kabel dan segalanya, jadi bisa untuk satu kabel seperti ini, tapi ini tidak akan bisa kenal ini, dan ini tidak akan bisa kenal ini, apalagi ini tidak akan bisa kenal ini. Maka dari itu ada namanya root reflector. Jadi ini menjadi root reflektornya untuk menjadi jalur untuk router 2 kenal dengan router 4 dan sebaliknya. Dan router 3 juga kenal dengan router 4 melalui ini. Nanti lewat sini. Seperti itu. Oke, continue. Uh, net, no, other one. Okay, and uh, right. We go to router 2. Config T. IP. No IP. Wait. The router BGP 12. IP. Astagfirullah. Network to mas. Okay. Finish the neighbor. We go to router 1. The what? Remote us. Remote us 12. And update source. Look back. No. Okay. And now we go to 3. Neighbor. No 3. Go to this. 2. Uh, remote us 3. Wait. Okay. Okay. And right. R2. R3. We go to config T router BGP this 3 because the IS number 3. Network the 3333 must. Okay. We go to neighbor the IP interface 1, the remote us 12. Okay, finish and IP. Alright. Okay, wait. We finish the this topology, but now we check so IP BGP summary. Wait. Okay, finish. We check ping. Wait. Oh, I know. Because wait. Search for. Finish. We check to this. We ping 2. Finish. Ping 1. I'm sorry. Ping 1. Okay, finish. This ping 4. Finish. Ping 2. Finish. Ping 3. Nah, this harus memakai source. I don't know. Lupa. This try search 1. Nah, finish. 2. Ping 4. ping 1, ping 3. Nah, sukses. This 3, ping 2, finish. Ping 1, finish. Ping 4, finish. Okay, we finish the tutorial. This success rate is percent 5/5 and effect 8/3, 13 and 12. 12. Yes, 12. 12. Yes, 12. Uh, 20. This success, but this router 4 and router 1 in if want to ping go to router 3 harus memakai source. And maybe enough for today for the segment the Poltech from my what docent uh what's I'm sorry speak Indonesia. I'm sorry speak bahasa. Jadi intinya root reflector ini adalah satu fitur dari dari Cisco, Mikrotik juga ada sih. Ketika topologi BGP itu tidak bisa full mesh, maka dipakainya root reflector. Karena dalam BGP dia tidak akan bisa kenal satu sama lain. Kenal satu sama lain dikarenakan tidak full mesh. Nah, caranya di pertengahan sendiri itu kita jadikan root reflector untuk menjadi jembatan antara contohnya router 2 menuju ke router 4 seperti itu. Dan juga sebenarnya bisa, saya nggak tahu ini bagaimana. I'm sorry speak bahasa for ngejelasin lebih enak. My friend, dia tidak memakai loopback, jadi langsung IP address seperti ininya. Tapi saya nyoba memakai loopback dan saya lihat-lihat loopbacknya ada yang melihat channel luar negeri, semuanya di network jadi alhamdulillah bisa. Jadi ya seperti itu, semuanya diiklankan networknya. Ada juga yang kalau dari AI dan ada juga yang lain hanya ujungnya saja. Tapi saya percaya bahwa semuanya harus diiklankan karena tidak mungkin kalau nggak dapat iklan. Sebenarnya jika goalsnya adalah ujung ke ujung doang, ini tidak perlu diiklankan. Tapi kalau semuanya harus bisa saling ping, ya diiklankan. Insyaallah I am understanding the material. I am continue the segment final project. Thank you for watching. Thank you for attention. See you next my videos. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.